Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are good. Okay. In the first lesson, we talked about how can we solve, how we can solve the what? The absolute value equation. Okay, that was the first lesson. Second lesson, inshallah, we'll talk about how can we solving, how can we solving absolute value, but absolute value what? Inequalities. Yes, what is the difference between equation and inequality? Anyone can remember what is the difference between the equation and inequality? Okay, equation, it's formed from left hand side, the equation. It's formed from left hand side, right hand side, okay, and between them what? Equal. That called what? Equation. Left hand side, right hand side, equal. But the inequality, it's formed from also left hand side, right hand side, okay, but between them what? Yes, more than or equal, less than or what? Or equal. That the what? The inequality. That's the difference between the equation, okay, and inequality. Okay, how can we solving, okay, the inequality? Okay, for example, solve the inequality, then graph your solutions. Okay, solve the inequality and then graph your solution. Number one, 4x minus 3 more than 13. 4x minus 3 more than 13. How can I solve that inequality? Okay, first I will add positive 3 to both sides of what? Of the inequality. Add here positive 3 and here add positive what? Positive 3. I will cancel this one with this one. Then 4x, it's more than 13 plus 3 equal, yes, of course, it's equal 16. Okay, after that, I will divide both sides divided by 4. I will add here 4 and also here 4. Cancel this one with this one. Then x, it's more than 16 divided 4, it's what? It's 4. X more than what? More than 4. Okay. Now I will what? Graph the what? Graph the solution by using what? Number line. How can I solve or how can I graph that solution on the number line? Okay, I will draw the number line. That the number line. Okay, here it's 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. -1, -2, and so on. Okay. X more than 4. First, I will make a circle around positive what? Positive 4. Okay. And I will not shadow that circle because I don't have equal. It's just more than only. Okay. X more than 4. That means I will take all the real numbers that more than 4. That means I will draw arrow like this to the right hand what? To the right hand side. And that's it. Okay, another one. Solve the inequality. After that, graph the solution. Okay. 2x plus 6, number 2. 2x plus 6 less than or equal negative what? Negative 7. 2x plus 6 less than or equal negative 7. Also, here, I will add first negative 6 to both sides. Okay, cancel this one with this one. Then 2x less than or equal negative 7 plus negative 6. It's a negative what? Negative 13. Negative 13. Okay. After that, I will divide it both divided by 2. Cancel this one with this one. Then x less than or equal. Negative 13 divided by positive 2, it's a negative, and 13 divided 2, it's 6 point what? 6.5. 6.5. Okay? X less than or equal 6.5. Okay, I didn't finish. I want to represent, okay, my solution on the number, what? On the number line. Also, I will draw the number line here, and I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and here negative 1, negative 2, okay, till negative 6 and negative what? Negative 7. Okay. 6.5, negative 6.5. It's between negative 6 and negative what? And negative 7. Here in the middle, I will make a circle around what's negative 6.5. Okay, I have equal 6 less than or equal. That means I will shadow the circle like this. Okay, after that, I said less than. That means I will take all the real numbers that less than or equal 6.5. Less than means I will draw arrow, but to the left hand, what? Left hand side. To the left hand side. And that's it. Okay, now we refreshed our mind to know how can we solving the inequality and how can we represent it on the number what? On the number line. Okay, now we will know how can we solving absolute value inequality. How can we solving absolute value inequality? Attention please. Okay. To solve and graph more complex absolute value inequality, you write and solve an equivalent compound inequality. Compound what? Inequality that does not use absolute value as shown in the table below. Okay, solving absolute value inequality. We have 4 forms. Okay, how? First, absolute value of ax plus b if it's less than c, okay, if it's less than c or equal, like this, absolute value of ax plus b less than or equal c. Okay, how can we solve that form or that form? Ax, the absolute value, ax plus b less than, it's what? Less than or equal. Okay. I will solve the first one like this. I will write ax plus b, okay, ax plus b in the middle, okay, less than c or more than what? Negative c. Again, ax plus b between less than c or more than negative c. If it's equal, it's the same. This one, I will write ax plus b in the middle, okay, less than or equal c, more than or equal negative what? Negative c. Okay. The third form, if it's more than, like this, ax plus b, it's more than c, or ax plus b, it's more than or equal what? Or equal c. Look, now I will talk about what? More than or equal. Okay, to solve this one more than, okay, I will write or, okay, in the middle. And here, I will write ax plus b, ax plus b, ax plus b, it's more than c, or ax plus b, it's less than what? Negative, yes, excellent, negative c. Also in this one, I will write here or, and I will write ax plus b more than or equal c, and ax plus b more than or equal negative what? Negative c. Now we have four forms, okay? Ax plus b is absolute value, ax plus b less than or equal, okay? I will solve like this, okay? But if it's more than, I will write like this, or more than or equal, okay? That's the four forms, okay, to solving absolute value, what? Absolute value inequality, okay, guys? Okay.